Hi friends, what's up? This is K from 360 Reader. It's time to learn how to always show Siri captions on your Apple Watch. While using Siri, I prefer to show captions on the screen. It makes conversing with a virtual assistant a bit more convenient. That's the reason why I was keen to find out whether or not watchos offers a way to display Siri captions on the Apple Watch. Fortunately, there is a way to get it done on the Apple Watch as well, just like the iPhone. So, if you're willing to unlock this super handy feature, let me show you how it's done that quick way. First and foremost, open the Watch app on your paired iPhone. Now scroll down and choose Siri. Then select Siri Responses. And finally, you have to turn on the toggle right next to Always Show Siri Captions and you are all set. Alternatively, you can enable this Siri feature from the Apple Watch as well. To do so, head over to the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Then choose Siri. After that, select Siri Responses and then turn on the toggle right next to Always Show Siri Captions. From now onward, you will see Siri Captions on your Apple Watch screen. As I have just said, it will play a vital role in enhancing your interaction with the virtual assistant on your Apple Watch. Later, if you ever want to change your mind and want to hide the Siri captions on your Apple Watch, return to the same Siri Responses section and then turn off the toggle right next to Always Show Siri Captions, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily hide or show Siri captions on your watchOS device. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy Apple Watch tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.